Mix grout to a smooth, lump-free consistency that holds its shape on a margin trowel and stays workable for about 30 minutes. Start by reading the grout manufacturer's instructions for exact water-to-powder ratios, since those numbers vary by product and affect strength and cure time. Use clean, cool water and add most of the water to the mixing bucket first, then slowly add grout powder while stirring to avoid lumps. Mix using a paddle on a low-speed drill for 1 to 2 minutes until uniform, then let the mix slake for 3 to 5 minutes to allow full hydration, and remix briefly before use. Aim for a peanut butter to mayonnaise consistency, depending on whether you are doing sanded or unsanded grout. It should hold on a margin trowel without sagging off easily. For large format tile floors, batch only enough grout that will be used within 30 minutes to avoid waste and changes in consistency as it begins to set. Keep a spray bottle of clean water and a bucket ready to adjust consistency in small increments during the job instead of adding large amounts of water, which weakens the grout. Common mistakes include overwatering the grout, which reduces strength and increases shrinkage. Fix this by adding water in small amounts and testing consistency on the trowel rather than pouring in a lot at once. Another frequent issue is mixing too large a batch that stiffens before application. Avoid that by timing mixes to last about 30 minutes and working in logical small sections so the grout stays fresh. A third concern is poor mixing technique that leaves dry pockets or unmixed powder. Prevent that by using a paddle mixer at low speed, slaking the mix for a few minutes, then remixing to ensure full hydration. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors for tile and grout work and gives contractors a place to find projects and grow their business. We also host a discussion community where contractors and homeowners share tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot common installation challenges together.